Good morning, students. Our today's topic is kind of noun. And in this topic, we will see three kind of noun. First will be a proper noun. Second will be a countable noun. Third will be uncountable noun. Actually, students, you know the definition of noun. Nouns means such kind of name, particular person, things, place, animal, that is called noun. But here we see proper noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. First of all, we see here proper noun. A proper noun is the name of particular person, place or things. Okay. A proper noun is the name of particular person, place or things. That is called proper noun. And that particular person, place or things, it can be that particular day, or it will be that particular month or things also. That is called proper noun. Look at some example of the proper noun. Now see here, first example, Sunita lives in a Bihar. Okay, so definitely Sunita live in a Bihar. It a particular name of that particular woman. Okay, now here we will meet in a June. Definitely here particular month mention, proper month mention here. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Particular place name here indicate the capital of Bihar. Last example here, he came on Sunday. The proper day mentioned here on Sunday. Okay, so above all four examples, Sunita, Patna, June and Sunday, it will denote the particular proper noun. Okay, now here we will see next type, countable noun. Okay, the things that can be counted and have plural form also are called countable noun. Here such kind of things that can be counted. Okay, such kind of things that can be counted and have plural forms also are called countable noun. Look at the example here. First example, I have pen. Okay. Next example, Sangeeta has many books. Definitely we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 pens. Books also we will count. Third example, she has 2 friends. Friends also we can count. And it will definitely plural form. Books, friends. Okay. They have ball. Ball we can also count here. Okay. These are the example of countable noun. Above for example, pen, friends, books and balls, these example of countable nouns. Now here last we will see here example of countable noun. Countable noun means such kind of things that cannot be counted. Countable noun means here such kind of things that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Here we see some example of the uncountable nouns. First example will be here, I have milk. Okay, milk we can count 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk. Okay, give me a sugar. She has rice. Third example will be here, she has rice. He wants ink. So definitely we can't count 1 rice, 2 rice. Such way we cannot count. So these above 4 example will be here example of uncountable noun. Milk, rice, sugar and ink, uncountable noun. Now students, here I given you very important table kind of noun, and there are also given some example of proper noun, countable noun, uncountable nouns. Okay, look at that. There are given some example: Ram Sham, Mohan, Sohan, Geeta, Rita, Prasad, India, Nepal, March, Monday. Okay, that here whatever the given example, they are will be a proper. Okay, it will be a denote to some particular persons, some particular place, particular country, particular month, particular day. So definitely these are example of proper noun. Now here we will see example of countable noun here. Boy, definitely we can count. Girl, woman, man, students, teacher, table, pen, bat, fan. These are the example of countable noun. We easily count these are things. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 whatever we can definitely easily countable. That's why we can say that here countable noun. Now here we will see some example of uncountable nouns. Look at that. Tea, coffee, paper, gold, love, happiness, kindness, money. Now students, here we can see we can't count 1 tea, 2 tea, 3 tea. Okay, coffee, also paper, gold, 1 gold, 2 gold. Okay, and definitely there will be some human being emotions. Love, we cannot be count 1 love, 2 love. Okay, happiness, if you are happy, so your happiness no one will be count. Are you getting what I am saying? So such a word, the human being emotions are there, that never be it will be a count. Kindness, okay, how you will be a kindness, your nature. So such things, emotions of the human being, it will not be a countable. Money also here. So these are the example of uncountable nouns. So students, I will give assignment regarding that count. I hope you understand all the 3 kind of noun here. First one is that proper noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, proper noun, uncountable noun and countable noun. Now here we'll see one more example here. I think you will be easily understand. Now look at the example. Nagpur is big city. Okay, so Nagpur here, Nagpur will be a proper noun. Okay, now is a big city. Big city here countable noun. Okay, I think you will now here we will stop here. We will see the assignment next period.